Hello everyone, in this video let's learn how to solve this challenging algebra in the India exam. A thief saw a policeman at a distance of 600 meters. The thief started running and the policeman chased him. The thief and the policeman are running at a speed of 12 kilometers and 15 kilometers per hour respectively. Find the time in minutes taken by the policeman to catch the thief. Alright, so this problem similar to the type of the problem in the SAT test. So let's get the diagrams. Suppose the police at this position A. And the thief is at the position B. The distance from here to here is 600 meters or 0.6 kilometer, right? Now, suppose at the position C, the policeman catches the thief. Now, the speed of the policeman is 15 kilometers per hour. The speed of the thief is going to be 12 kilometers per hour, right? So, to solve this problem, we need to create an equation. Now, assume the distance from A to C right here is going to be as kilometers, right? So you have the time for the policeman to complete the distance from A to C is the same time as the thief to complete the distance from B to C, right? Now, times equals distance divided by speed, right? The length AC is S divided by the speed is going to be 15 is the same thing as the distance for the thief to complete the length BC, right? It's going to be S minus 0.6 divided by the speed is going to be 12, right? Now we just solve this equation by cross multiplying, right? So you have 12s equals 15s minus 9, right? Subtract 15s both sides, you have negative 3s equals negative 9. So s equals 3 kilometers, right? Now what you need to do is to find the time, right? So you substitute 3 for s back over here. So you have the time is going to be 3 divided by 15 is going to be 0.2 hours, right? Now, you need to find the minutes. So you need to convert this one into minutes. So it turns out to be 0.2 multiplied by 60, right? So it could be 12 minutes, right? So the answer must be C. Now, if you have another way to solve this problem, please leave a comment and it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand